So the most important thing is function. So function is a conditioned relation. Relation is a conditioned association. That means function is also a conditional association. Clear? What is the difference between relation and relation? Means you say you have got a domain, codomain and a link. You tell some condition. Clear? And there is an association. Okay. So it's a subset of Cartesian product of domain and codomain. But then you can realize function as a conditioned relation. The point is very simple. There are only two conditions. Every element of source means what? Every element of source must have exactly, so every element of the source must have exactly how many images? One image in the target. Such relation is called function. Are you able to understand? Maybe all the elements may have the same image, common image. It doesn't matter. We are not bothered which follow is the image. That image should be present in the codomain. Understand? It should have only what? One image. But in a relation, an element may have an image, may not have an image, or it may have multiple images. That's the only difference. So it's a conditioned relation where every element of source element must have exactly one image. If there are 5 elements in the domain, the first element should have only one image, second element should have only, third element only one image, fourth element only one image, fifth element and only it's a function. If suppose there is an element, 4 elements have exactly one image, the fifth fellow has 2 images, oh, not accepted. Or the fifth fellow is not having any image, then also not accepted. Every element of the source must have exactly one image in the target. Are you able to understand? So if I am going to take a relation, okay, from Q to Q, what is Q? Set of rational numbers. So my link is reciprocal of A is, so what is A? A belongs to the source, right? Source Q, and B belongs to target Q, target rational numbers. So I have a Q here. Q means what? Rational numbers. And it's an infinite set. So if I am going to have a 1 by 3 fellow, there will be a 3 fellow. Only one image. You will not have more than, so 1 by 3's reciprocal is always going to be 3 only. If you take, say for example, root 2, what is the 1 by, sorry, root 2 won't come, right? If I take, 2, you will be having 1 by 2. So, but there is one fellow who will not have an image, 0. So 0 is not going to have an image. Don't say that infinity is not a number. So 0 is not having an image, all the other numbers will have image. Then what do you say about this link? It's not just because, but all the other elements will have a reciprocal. The same thing you will be studying later, like in the case of function like a graph, you say something continuity and discontinuity. If you try to plot points, you will not be able to plot point for 0. There is no association. Only association only becomes a point. Graphically, association only is converted into a point. If both Domain and codomain are numbers. If number associations becomes a graph. Clear? So therefore the function means every element of source must have exactly one image in target. Then only it is function. It understands. So let me explain more. Therefore this reciprocal is not a function. Suppose I start with non-zero rational numbers, then it will be a function. Right? Why? Because there is no zero. That's why I say whenever we talk about a function or relation, there are three things important. One is source, other one is target, the third one is link. Understood? Example, we have this, okay, y squared is equal to 4x. I have a parabola. Is actually how do you, so actually x fellow belongs to source, the y fellow belongs to the target. This means actually it is from real to real. Real numbers to real numbers is the relation. It's a relation, right? Where my x belongs to source real number and y belongs to target. So when we draw the graph, so you're able to understand. So if I am going to take real to real, my link is this. This fellow is actually a link. We recognize this as a parabola, but this is the link where my axis belongs to source. You know what happens is if I take a fellow like -2, you see a -2's image there. No. Why no? Because y squared is equal to 4 times -2 -8 and y is actually imaginary, but we are going from real to real. If it is real to complex, we link. But then the graphical plotting will be difficult. Okay, so there is no image for -2, so it can't be a function. Okay, if I take a 2 there is no problem. 4 into 2 is 8. But the problem is this 2 fellow goes to 2 images. One is √8, another one is, so this is minus √8, this is plus √8. So 2 will have how many images? 2 images. So that means I have to make some adjustment to call this as a function, right? X and y are positive reals. Okay, so if you take positive reals, what happens? If you take positive reals or non-negative reals, then the -2 fellow will not have a problem. The 2 will have only image with √8, but when you try to draw the graph, you will be getting the graph only above the x-axis, right? And then another, if you have got a positive reals to negative reals, you will be getting another. Combining these two only you get that curve, but together it is not going to be a, but actually we will call this like a parabolic curve, but as a function there is a different concept, because if you are going to substitute one x, you get 2 values of y. So therefore this equation is not going to correspond to a function. That means the upper curve represents a function, lower curve represents a function, together only you get the parabolic curve. So as a function, your 1x will correspond to only, the x belongs to the domain fellow and y belongs to the codomain. Are you able to understand? And if you take all the reals, what happens? The negative fellow is not going to give any part of the curve. That means it's not a function, because you have elements which are not having images. That is why it's what is more important in function is you have to define the source, right, target, and then link. Sometimes what happens, the link will run and you have to presume the source and target. For example, let me take this fellow, y equal to sin x. So if I take real to real, is there any problem? Actually, when you are talking, it's not in degrees. You know that if at all you are going to use that x fellow in angle, it's going to be in radians. And you know the graph actually, the graph will be like this. So for every x, there is going to be some value for y. For all the real x, as you are moving horizontally, there is an association y. But only thing is that y fellow will not cross +1, it will not cross this side -1. Therefore, if you are going to have the arrow diagram is what? Arrow diagram is from real to real. You have lot of numbers, here also lot of numbers, and you have a -1, +1 above. So what happens is all will fall only in this range. So the range is what? -1 to +1. But do you agree that every element will have a image? If I say 2.3 means 2.3 radians, some degrees. So sine of 2.3 radians is going to be some fellow between -1 to +1. The boundaries are -1 and +1. That's not an issue. But when the issue will come, if I change this, when I say sine inverse of x, that means my x is not angle, y is the angle, right? And what is my x? What is my x? If I am going to take -2, I can't find sine inverse of -2. What's the problem now? I just changed my function. I am now looking at inverse means what? I am putting a value and then finding the angle. Sine inverse of -2 will not exist. So -2 will not have an image. So if you take the source to be real, there is a problem. It's not a function. So what are the changes I should make in the domain? That means you should not take a real. That the source fellow should be something from -1 to +1 inclusive. This is a closed interval. So if I am going to take the source fellow to be -1 to +1. But then there is a problem. I have this half fellow. If I take this to be full real, then the half fellow will go to something like pi by 6 radians. This 30 degree. It also goes to 150 degree, that is 5 pi by 6. It also goes to a lot of things. There is angle of rotation. That means this also you are going to, but you should not have multiple images, right? Then what are you going to do? Minus, so you are going to have a minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That means in the graph you are going to take only these quadrants. So no repetition. That means one fellow will have only one image, and every fellow will have an image from -1 to +1. That means when do you say sine inverse of x is a function? Only if your source fellow is a closed interval from -1 to 1, real numbers, and then the target fellow is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So this is default. But we should not say that y equals sine inverse of x is directly the link becomes a function. Link will never become a function. Only three things together only decides a function. Relation, there is no problem, because relation has can be a null set or a complete set. They are not bothered. Relation is after all a relation. But for a function, to call it as a function, right, every element of source must have exactly one image. So you are going to adjust in such a manner, and then only you are realizing the functions. Are you able to understand? Clear?